Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the DOGE NFT token. Now the DOGE NFT token is a very popular token right now. Ticker symbol is DOG. This token is trending number 11 right now on Deck Screener. I also saw today that this token is going to be getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon as well. This token is on the Base chain, Coinbase's new blockchain. The Solana meme tokens and the Base chain meme tokens have been very popular lately. So this is another one that's been very popular. And we're going to go over the information on the DOGE NFT token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, I believe, is being listed on LBANK. I was looking on Twitter the other day and I thought I saw, or maybe yesterday, and I thought I saw an LBANK listing there, so we'll check that in a second. And maybe somewhere else, maybe like Bitmart or something like that. But yeah, so this, we're going to go over also the security on this token to see if there's any potential warning signs in their quick audits or anything like that. The Nubcat token is being listed on LBANK. I did a video on Nubcat recently, so check out that video. That's a very popular token. Also, the Shark Cat too. The Shark Cat token is being listed on LBANK as well, and so I just did a video on that token. So I was just looking at the DOGE NFT's Twitter, and they are followed by LBANK, so maybe there's going to be announcements soon that this token will be listed on LBANK. But I definitely saw it being, I'll probably put it in the thumbnail of this video, or I'm going to put it up here or something like that. Maybe it was Bitmart or something like that. But pretty soon you're going to see this token, I bet, listed on a few different central exchanges. So you can follow their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there as well. Their Twitter here is, let me pull this up. Why isn't this working here? Own the Doge is what they're calling it here. Why is this not popping up? On their Twitter, I'm going to put it up right there anyways. They're going to have a full link tree on their Twitter right there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. On their link tree, they have a Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Discord, Twitter, official webpage. They have the official Doge store. They have what is the DOGE NFT, a big section on that, blog articles, full white paper, their Etherscan. They have all sorts of stuff here, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap link. I mean, too much information to even go over on their link tree there. And so, yes, the DOGE NFT, own a piece of internet history. Yes, this is Doge, the iconic Doge, woof. What started off as just an internet meme has worked its way into becoming a cultural phenomenon and a piece of art. Doge, centered around the Shiba Inu dog, undoubtedly became the most loved meme coin of this decade. Whilst weaving its way into our hearts, this special canine has also paved the way for viral memes that came after it. So in June 2021, the owner of the famous Shiba Inu, who goes by Kabosu, minted the original photo as an NFT. The NFT is a rare one-of-one original piece that pays tribute to the whole Doge movement and related internet phenomenon. It was sold for a record-breaking 1,696 ETH, which is worth $5.5 million. to PLEASRDAO, an experimental art collective. So today, PLEASRDAO is announcing that the NFT has been fractionalized into billions of pieces to be shared with the broader internet community using fractional art. The original Doge NFT has been divided into billions of DOG ERC20 tokens, allowing everyone and everything, including cats, to own a piece of history. So the initial auction of the Dogecoin fractions will take place September 1st. So that happened, obviously a while ago. Thereafter, it'll be available on fractional.art or through decentralized exchanges such as SushiSwap and UNISWAP. Talking numbers, there will be 20% of the dog supply available in that auction. So the goal at PLEASRDAO is to be good stewards to this meaningful piece to reach its full potential. So yeah, that's what happened. So they split it up. Basically, 55% goes to PLEASRDAO custody, 25% community fund, and 20% auctioned. So pretty cool idea. I've seen this before with they take NFTs, fractionalize them, and then they sell them as tokens. I saw one. I think it's called like the nothing token or something like that, and it was just basically a square of nothing fractionalized into pieces. And yeah, so this idea has been around for a while, but this is cool that they're doing this with the basically the original Doge NFT there that's worth a ton of money. Finally their Twitter pops up here. So they have 113,600 Twitter followers at Own the Doge, 17,600 posts. And I believe I saw this token is being listed on Bitmart. I believe I did see a central exchange listing. And it could have been POLONIEX as well. BOMEOW, the Book of Meow, that token is being listed on Bitmart. That's, these book tokens are very popular, meme tokens these days as well. But anyways, you'll see it up here. I don't know why I can't find it all of a sudden. Had it all ready, and then now, this Twitter is lagging on me. But you'll see it in the screen here. It's definitely being listed on either Bitmart or POLONIEX, and they're followed by LBANK. So it looks like for sure they're getting an LBANK listing coming up. But yeah, you can find this token on the base chain, trending right now on DEX Tools. DEX Tools and DEX Screener. You can find them listed on there. It might be cross-chain Ethereum and base chain here, but this one's trending number 11 on base chain. So you can get this one off Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with ETH, bridging it to base, and then using the contract address that you can find on their webpage, ownthedoge.com. You can do that. So they have tons of information on their webpage. And then they have Discord, Twitter, all sorts of links. They have the DAO information on there if you want to join the DAO. Tons of info on their webpage if you want to learn about this token here. But yeah, they're definitely getting a central. I swear it's got to be POLONIEX then, because yeah, I don't see it on there. But anyways, they have a pretty big market cap as well. Let's see what the market cap says. $270.3 million market cap. $1.3 million in liquidity on Uniswap on the base chain here. And if we look at their audits, okay. Well, there's a bunch of warnings on their audit here. So this is for the base token here. I put it into... So it says they have a score of 1 out of 99, their DEX score. I'm going to put that up right here. There's a disagreement on their honeypot. There's 5 alerts on this audit here. So Token Sniffer says yes for honeypot. Quick Intel and GoPlus Security say no. So the disagreement there. It says they can mint new tokens. So there's warnings there. And also it says hidden owner. There's a disagreement there. External call risk. Balance is modifiable. So there's a bunch of warnings. There's 5 different warnings on their quick audits on DEX tools. So definitely be aware of that. Now it doesn't mean necessarily like this token is going to be a scam. But yeah, mintable tokens. Go Plus Security says owner can change balance. And then Quick Intel Security says mintable hidden owner. Ownership is not renounced. So lots of warnings. So be aware of that. Definitely take it with a grain of salt. Thoroughly do your own research. Now, it might be a very big company, you know, the PLEASRDAO, all these people involved in the project. You might trust them. So if you have your own opinions about who's involved, who created the project, and you know you're a fan of them, then you know whatever. But I'm just letting you know that there is warnings on their audit. So definitely be aware of that. It's not even a full audit, it's just a quick audit. So maybe if they have a full audit somewhere or they get a full audit, there might be even more warnings on the full audit. And I don't see on their webpage a big team doxing section, so there's not that either. So just be aware of that. Thoroughly do your own research before investing in any token that has warnings like that. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? I am going to put up what the central exchange listing was. Maybe I'll have a look before I wrap this video up here. It has to be POLONIEX then, because I definitely saw it being listed on an exchange yesterday. But there's so much information about this token as well. It's probably cross-chain. The one that I saw though trending was on the base chain. There it is, POLONIEX. I knew it. So it says March 29th, which was just yesterday. This token got listed on POLONIEX, so that's an exchange you can get it on as well. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.